This isn't your regular chicken curry. This is a rich, royal Hyderabadi chicken pasanda that melts in your mouth. And the secret? A silky nut based marinade that you probably haven't tried before. We will start by preparing the marinade. Take slices of coconut, a few almonds and cashews, and 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds. Next, dry roast each of these ingredients individually on low to medium heat to enhance their flavors. Now take about 300 grams of sliced onions, roughly half the weight of the chicken, and lightly fry them until they turn soft and slightly golden. Add all the dry roasted ingredients to a blender first and grind them into a coarse paste. Then add the half fried onions, some yogurt, salt to taste, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and half a cup of water. Blend everything into a smooth paste. Then take 600 grams of clean curry cut chicken pieces. Add ginger paste, garlic paste, and the marinade we just prepared. Coat every nook and cranny of the chicken pieces, then cover and marinate in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour or preferably overnight. For tempering the gravy, we will use cinnamon, green cardamom, cloves, whole black pepper, and sahi jeera. Now, in a non-stick pan, heat some refined oil and a little ghee. If you are using a regular pan, make sure to use a bit more oil as the nut-based gravy can stick to the bottom. Once the oil is hot, add the whole spices and let them crackle. When fragrant, add the marinated chicken along with any leftover marinade. Cook over medium to high heat, stirring continuously for about 10 minutes. When the Mughal expansion into the Deccan took place, their rich culinary tradition blended with the local Deccani food culture. In the Mughal court cuisine, premium cuts of meats were used, and the word pasanda comes from pasande, meaning favorite. Today, it remains a classic yet somewhat lesser known Hyderabadi dish, often served at weddings and during Eid celebrations. Once the gravy starts releasing oil, add hot water to the pan, rinse the mixing bowl with water to capture all the leftover marinade and add it to the dish. Cover and let it simmer for about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the bottom. Now, for the signature Hyderabadi flavor, add sliced green chilies, chopped mint, and chopped coriander leaves. Mix well and cook until the oil separates once again. Finally, turn off the heat and stir in a little lemon juice to finish. Serve hot with naan, parathas, or pulao. If you love this recipe, let us know in the comments below. And until next time, happy cooking!